Clove is the unopened bud of the tropical clove tree from Indonesia. It is one of the most popular spices in the world. In addition to the sweet taste that the spice adds to dishes, clove is also known for its healing properties. 1. Antioxidant rich, cloves are packed with antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which can combat free radical damage and boost overall health. Consuming just 2 cloves daily can significantly enhance your body's antioxidant defenses. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves possess compounds that reduce inflammation, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Adding cloves to your diet may help in managing inflammation and promoting overall well-being. 3. Oral health support. Eugenol in cloves acts as a natural anesthetic, providing relief from toothaches, while clove-based mouthwash can combat plaque and gingivitis, contributing to improved dental health. Incorporating cloves into your oral care routine can offer both pain relief and preventive benefits. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest that cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels by increasing glucose uptake into cells and promoting insulin production, potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Including cloves in your diet may aid in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. 5. Bone health enhancement. Rich in essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, cloves promote healthy bone development, density, and strength. Regular consumption of cloves may contribute to preventing bone loss and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 6. Digestive aid. Cloves can support digestion by increasing gastric mucus production, protecting the digestive lining from corrosive fluids like stomach acid. Additionally, their antibacterial properties may help maintain healthy intestinal flora and prevent stomach ulcers. Sammasem, liver support. Cloves exhibit properties that could improve liver health by reducing oxidative stress, reversing cirrhosis, and potentially lowering the risk of liver diseases such as liver cancer and fatty liver disease. Adding cloves to your diet may support long-term liver function and well-being. When abused, cloves can be harmful to the body. The recommended daily intake is 2 to 3 buds or no more than 500 ml of powder. It is not recommended for individuals with hypertension, during pregnancy, gastritis, menstruation, and for children under 3 years old. Since cloves can increase blood pressure, they should not be used by patients with hypertension or serious cardiovascular issues. It's also advisable to refrain from using the spice during menstruation, as cloves thin the blood, potentially exacerbating bleeding. Pregnant women are at particular risk from the spice as it can stimulate the uterus, increasing the risk of miscarriage and premature birth. Cloves are also prohibited for those with gastritis with high acidity, as they can significantly worsen the condition of the digestive system. Clove has a pleasant aroma that can eliminate unpleasant odors from the mouth. Chewing on cloves stimulates saliva production, helping to neutralize bacteria that cause bad breath. Additionally, clove possesses anti-inflammatory properties, which can aid in combating inflammation of the gums and throat. The benefits of cloves are undeniable. However, only cautious consumption of this spice will yield positive results. A sensible approach to its use can help maintain good health and beauty. Before using the spice, consult with a doctor and adhere to the recommended daily dosage.